Right, bidet's out of the way. So what I'm going to do now is cut these pipes down and put caps on so it's sealed. The only problem I've got is there's a bit of solder run down on both the pipes, and that solder will interfere with the caps when I put them on. So I've got to cut the pipes below that solder line, those runs of solder, but not too low that I can't get the damn caps on because they're quite big. Okay, so we'll have a go at that now. Right, so this is my 15mm pipe cutter, and that just there, slides on to the pipe there, and then you just turn it, and bit by bit it will cut the pipe off. So I don't know if I can do this one hand, but I'll try. So you can see it, you just keep turning it about 20 times. Wonderful little things these, because if you try and hacksaw it and that, you end up just with a big jagged edge. It's not straight. You try and put a connector on, it won't go on. There you go. Look at that, beautiful little perfect cut. Nice prepared edge, wonderful. Okay, I'm going to do the other one and then we'll put the caps on. Right, got a couple of push fit connectors here. One's new, one's old, because I tend to try and reuse them because they're quite expensive. This is only a temporary thing, and obviously when the plumbing's done properly they won't be there anymore. So you can save them for the next use. So these are push fits, so they quite literally just push on. Now, because this is a copper pipe, you don't need to put some, if it was a plastic pipe, poly pipe, you have to put like a little insert down to strengthen the pipe. But as this is copper, you don't need one. So all you do is literally get that and push it on. The only problem I've got is I have cut it off a bit low, so I'm going to put a screwdriver underneath to hold the pipe up to make sure I get the cap fully on, because if it's not fully on, we have definite disaster. Yeah, they're definitely not fully on, so I'm going to have to lift the pipe up from underneath and then push them so they're fully home. There, got the caps on now, just pushed them on. I had cut the pipes off a bit too near to the floor, so what I ended up doing was actually just making a hole here, because I'm replacing this floorboard obviously, because it's got the cutouts for the bidet pipes anyway. So I had to cut it to make sure I got this stop valve right on, fully down, because the last thing you want in the middle of the night is that coming off and you won't know what's going on. You know, you won't know it's come off until the morning, and by which time you're talking tens of thousands of pounds worth of damage. So you want to make dead sure that your connections are sorted. I mean, a leak is one thing, but if the actual stop blows off, then you've got mains pressure water coming out, and the damage that can do in like 5 minutes is unbelievable. And if it's running for like 6 hours, then phew, forget it. Okay, I'm going to do the same with the bath taps, cut those pipes down and put stops on them, and I'll put the water back on again.